Combine ground flax eggs with 3 tablespoons warm water and whisk until smooth. And let stand for at least 10 to 20 minutes to thicken to a paste. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sifted flour, coconut sugar, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt, and mix it well. Into another clean mixing bowl, combine the almond milk, coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, and vanilla extract. Then add to dry mixture and mix it well. And add the flax egg, then mix it again until smooth. Transfer the batter to a pastry bag or to a Ziploc bag and pipe halfway to the top into each the cavities. And make sure that you spray the baking tray before you fill it up the cavities. Then, bake in a preheated 350 oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Once it's cooked, let it cool, and while waiting for the donuts to be cool, let's make the glaze. For the vanilla glaze, just combine 1 cup icing sugar powder and 2 tablespoons of almond milk. For the chocolate glaze, combine chocolate cacao chips in a bowl and add a warm melted coconut oil, and you can add powdered sugar if you wanted to. For the pink glaze, I just used strawberry, almond milk, vanilla extract, and maple syrup. I just put everything in a blender and I blend it until smooth. Once the donuts are cool, dip them in a glaze and decorate them as much as you like. I had so much fun making these donuts, glazing and coating them, and adding sprinkles, of course. I hope you will enjoy this as much as I do, and let me know your thoughts if you give them a try. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And by the way, if you're new on my channel, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any of my vegan recipes. Thank you all so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.